wiring on the contactors in the control panel, first thing you want to make sure you do is turn off the voltage to the machine. These will have high voltage to them, it's live, so make sure the power is off so that you do not electrocute yourself. And to open the clamps where the wires go in, the wires go in this first row, overloads plug into the second row. You will want a small flathead screwdriver. They will go in this third row of holes. Insert the wire to open the clamp, take your screwdriver, put it in the hole so it's angled out, pry in towards the center and push down at the same time. That will open up the clamp. You can insert your wire, pull the screwdriver out, and the wire is secured. Repeat for the other lines. To remove the wires, same thing. In, pull the wire out. Same for the control wires. They go here, screwdriver goes in here.